Alright, so we had a little bit of trouble before and opening this thing up. So if we had used this this iFixit tool, this is actually kind of a putty knife. Had we used this, we would have had an easier time. Still not super easy, but it's doable. So let's give it a shot now and see how this opens up. So this makes it a lot easier and we could avoid damaging the sides. Still takes a little bit of effort though. So starting on the front actually seems to help. And once you push it up, you have to actually have it held up still. So I prefer to stick basically a credit card in here. And then work around the edges. On both sides, and there are little tabs on the inside. I'll try to give you a shot of the tab. Look at that. See, that's opening right up. Now, if you saw our first video, you'll remember how much trouble we had with this, and you'll note how much easier this is. Look at that. It basically just pops right out, so long as you have this putty tool and something to hold it open a bit. Now, see that? We can just pull this up right off, and boom, it comes open in like 30 seconds. Now, you'll notice, if you can see this with the camera, there's these little tabs. The trick is just to push these tabs down and then pull the thing up. You need them pushed down on all sides, and so you push them down on this side, hold it up, push them down on the next side, hold it up, and that's basically the trick to it. So this is my tiny little 1-minute update to my original video. If you saw the original video, we took this entire thing apart, so if you missed that, go back through my playlist and watch the original video where we take this entire thing apart. We took everything off here and cleaned out the CPU and the fan and everything else. We took the RAM out, everything that's blocked here, we removed all of this stuff in our previous video. So go back and watch that if you haven't,